Hold on. Wait, okay.
What? I said hook.
I meant what
Ow.
was bad. I didn't even finish that sentence. I just realized that. Okay. I have black stuff on my fingers.
Huh?
Never mind. It's from that wood thing.
Oh, the fire pit thing. Is that what you're talking about? That wood thing. Huh? That wood thing.
Oh,
the black
yeah.
thingy. I don't know what you call it. Oh wait, you put these on first, and then.
Okay, got it. Why is it not funny?
Huh?
It looks like it's like bent and breaking. Hold on. Okay, sorry.
Oh, there's that one.
The kite!
Okay. Yes! Okay. We're going to have to go to the road, over the road.
Okay.
We need a third person. And then...
Here we go, here we go.
Okay. Whoa, okay.
Oh my gosh, kite!
Yes.
You gotta go this way.
Mama's left. I don't find this funny. Hey, follow us if you want to. You know, here we go. Okay, this room's not safe. There are strings over here. Oh, be careful, Abby. Don't walk backwards. It's kind of hard to walk forwards. What's up with your baby? He's just sitting there eating a Pop-Tart. Completely oblivious to the fact that I might kill him.
I literally stepped over him.
Oh yeah!
Yes, we did it. Awesome.
And all without injury.
Wait, you want to put one right here?
Yeah. Where are you?
Mom.
Over there you are.
Not right now.
I'm right here.
Do that in a sec.
Okay.
Do that in a sec.
You know the other stuff is over there.
Where? Oh yeah. I'll go over there.
That would be
You only got 2 packs, right?
Yeah.
You put one downstairs there, and then one upstairs.
Go get another pack. I need
That
to
was
go
fun
get
while
another
it
pack.
lasted.
I need to go get a third
Yes.
pack.
You want to go
just
today?
get one.
Yes.
I'll call it. I just get one.
Sure, if that's what you want to call it.
Yeah, the strings. I don't know where the strings over there are gonna go.
We're gonna have to put it. I don't know.
No.
I have no clue whatsoever.
Can you get it?
You know that's today.
Oh, you
Did
Did you not hear her? It's creepy and weird.
So,
annoying.
but my grandma, my mom's laugh is so. It sounds so fake, but it's not. She's like, and I'm like, no! I don't know if you're really laughing or not.
That was on camera. Yes. Here, toss them. Oh, I can get one.
It sounded so country.
Sorry. I didn't mean to.
If the plug comes here, then it'll plug in there.
I think we should go ahead and do it right here.
You hardly ever need
Alright, let's do it right
These
here.
don't connect, do they?
Okay, wait, should we do like
Don't connect what?
corner?
Yeah. That would be good.
No! Okay, Wynn's got it.
It's like a big kite. I know.
Grab a string, quick!
Okay, we've got it.
Okay.
Where's the... Crap.
Got it on camera, didn't you?
Oh, it's not as bad as what she got on camera as me.
Yeah. Oh God. So hard. I'm flowing back.
It's in the hole. See?
Allie, help it.
I'm on. Come on. Come on.
We're short people. We can't do this.
Oh my God.
Don't rip it, Joe.
All right, wait. I
idea! I've got an idea! Okay. Abby!
No.
Okay, here we go, look. My eye! There's sand in my eye. I can't see it there right now.
Ow!
Around his neck. No more! I did it!
Hey, we don't need a disco ball. We got Joe Wang.
Funny. Oh, gosh.
Yeah, you keep taping.
But they will.
Having a ball over
I know,
there.
she is. My call holder's gone.
We gotta remember the good times.
I got to. Ah, no. Come on, okay. Here, Abby, and it is finished. Somewhat, not quite.
You suck.
Finished somewhat. Okay.
Joseph, can you? What are
No,
you
we're
doing?
not putting it here.
Hey, Maggie, though. Hey, Joseph, can you drag this over there? Abby, kick him. I'm kidding. You kicked me. See what happened. I saved you that time, Joe. I didn't really mean for it. Did somebody wet the bed last night?
a rock at me.
Yeah, it is like true shit.
What? It's different color dirt.
Somebody wet the bed.
I think that's just He's dying over there. And this is all on camera, Joe. You're a 10.
Okay, the problem is that we have this one steak in our way. But we might figure it out.
No.
Or get that steak,
Joseph.
Joseph. I mean, get that.
Second life.
Go back that. Go back that way. And Joseph. Okay, let's go this way.
Shut up.
Hey, don't talk to your elders that way.
Oh. She burnt us. Burn, baby, burn. Let's go inferno.
Okay. Okay, this is calling us the partying crowd. We're about to party. Don't say that like that again. Don't say that.
I told my mom, I'm like, don't ever say that again.
Never.
Your hair's curling from the humidity on the side.
Right.
Not as bad as mine, is more than likely.
I
hate that.
Come on, everybody got this thing.
Yeah. Here's the Velcro. Do it now, hurry. Velcro. Quickly.
Alright, while you were going backwards, and she was going backwards, and you said,
Oh, great.
Okay, hang on just a second.
Abby.
Not with Ashley.
Huh?
Who you talking about with?
I don't know.
You said you were tired enough.
Oh, hey. Stop. No camera on me. I'm just going to ignore it. There's no camera here, Abby. Just ignore it.
Abby, you have that song stuck in my head.
What song? Burn, baby, burn. Oh,
Actually, what are you doing? Don't do that, Charles. No, don't do that, Charles Alexander III.
Okay, so is there a problem I have to deal with? Okay, that's fine. I don't care.
Where's Stig?
What the heck are you doing?
Ooh.
No, where's Faith? What the heck is she doing?
There, Joseph.
On the other side.
Joshua, I need you to come up here and help.
Yeah, fat ass.
I'll be up there just a second, Allie. Haven't forgotten you.
She called me Cinderella.
Thank you.
Gosh, that's stuck in my head.
Cinderella.
Cinderella, you are awfully smelly.
Awfully smelly.
Me and Abby made the song up while we were in the bathroom.
No, it
Cleaning.
was no. Oh yeah, when we were in. Then I put it on guitar.
Evil stepmother?
No.
You little brat.
It's Cinderella, you are awfully
Not
smelly.
Cinderella. Night and day.
You deserve to live under sink.
Yeah,
I love Cinderella.
Don't start that, dear.
No, it was all bad about Cinderella.
Ah, I got it.
Yay, Gabby!
Ab. Where are the steaks, baby?
I'll just find them.
I love you.
Why
you love me. You love me.
Oh.
We're